In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gantt chart in Google Sheets. If you need to track a project timeline, you don't need expensive software. Google Sheets can create a clean, professional Gantt chart in minutes. And I'll walk you through two reliable approaches, using a ready-made template and building one from scratch. The fastest route is the template. In your spreadsheet, go to File, then New, and choose from Template Gallery. Under Project Management, select the Gantt chart template. It's already set up with formulas and formatting, so you can focus on your data. Replace the sample tasks with your own, enter start and end dates, and the chart updates automatically. If your version doesn't calculate durations for you, add a duration column and use a simple subtraction formula, end date minus start date, to show how many days each task takes. That small bit of data work is the engine that drives the visual timeline and keeps everything accurate. Now, if you prefer full control or want a lightweight version, you can build it yourself. Start by creating 3 columns: task, start date, and duration in days. Enter your task names, the date each one begins, and how long each will take. Highlight that range, go to Insert, then Chart, and switch the chart type to Stacked Bar Chart. In the Chart Editor Setup tab, make sure the Series section includes only start date and duration. If you see end date in there, remove it. This setup ensures the bar chart uses the start date to position each task on the timeline and the duration to show its length. Here's the secret formatting that turns a plain bar chart into a Gantt. In the Customize panel, open Series, select Start Date, and set its fill opacity to 0%. That makes the starting segment invisible, so the duration appears to float at the correct position on the timeline. Next, open Horizontal Axis. If there's a big gap before your first task, type the numeric value of your actual start date into the min field. Google Sheets stores dates as numbers behind the scenes, something like 40605U, so entering that aligns the chart with your first ASD. To fix crowded labels along the bottom, rotate them to 45 degrees, or format your dates in the sheet as a short date like 2/1/26, so they're compact and easy to read. Whether you go with the professional template or build your own, you now have a clear, visual roadmap for your entire project.